In this video, I will show you how to block spam text messages on your Android phone, most especially if you are using Google Message app on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Open up your Google Message app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this profile icon. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on message settings. Go ahead and click on general. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on protection and safety. The next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and turn on this button right here. Lastly, go ahead and click on message sensitive content warning. Here we go. Make sure you turn on this. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Google Message app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.